Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a first bonus deposit on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. When you have made no deposit yet, you're going to play 1x games. For example, you have Treasure Tom 21, you have the Lucky Wheel. You can look for these games and play them with your bonus points. And once you do that, you're going to see your electronic balance, which is here. Your electronic balance, which will increase gradually. Once that is done, you're going to make a deposit. With any method you want, you're going to make a deposit from your bonus points you gained. And that was all for this video.